This fight wey me wan show you now, e get two important lessons wey I wan make we for learn inside this fight. Na fight wey no suppose happen. You know say my own, I no dey support partiality. I go tell you wetin I support. I go tell you wetin how e suppose to be. And I dey wait you for comment section. Make we continue the discussion there. So I go show you this clip and then we go discuss am. I go also show you the comment section so that we go know who dey talk true. Na you go judge wetin the comment people dey talk, wetin the person wey dey comment, wey dey talk, the commentator wey dey narrate the video. Me disagree for wetin the man dey talk. So you go hear am by yourself. You go know whether the man dey talk true or not. The more we dey leave things, our children, our people go dey consume wetin no be true from internet. And the more they consume and we dey grow like that, our life go dey go one corner wey no suppose to be.
What's up, family? Check this video out.
You go see say na the woman go find trouble first.
Wow. Are you serious, man? Wow. That's ridiculous, man. I would never put my hands on a woman, man. Ever. That is just totally ridiculous how he did that. You have to de-escalate the situation as a man. I mean, really, folks.
Men no be human
beings. You
being.
just have to do better as a man. You really do, bro. That's ridiculous. Like, why would you even put your hands on a woman like that? I just can't even fathom a man even doing that to a woman. I don't care what the situation is. I don't care what it is. You never put your hands on a woman. You have to be a man.
At this moment, I want to talk. The video never finished, but I don't want to make YouTube come dey say na violation of community whatever. So wetin me wan talk be say from the clip wey I see, na this woman wan slap am first. So there is nothing like say you suppose not to lay your hands. Na defense. You know, when you want to defend yourself, anybody supposed to defend his life or her life. This is a defense. You know, if you know you are a woman, and this woman, the way they see am, it be like person they smoke. No, this I believe say this is in America, and this thing they happen for our place. And when me they talk put for inside this thing, we say so many fight they happen inside room. For our relationship, our marriages, our siblings, inside room. They happen for secret places where nobody feels separate to now. If you, especially this woman, will see this man as a big rich, no matter what he tell you, you can't raise your hand to slap him. Not be your mortuary they dig. So me, I totally disagree. Make we see one or two comments from the people where they comment here. This one say, not an advocate. So in the talk, he no be advocate for violence and laying hands on women, but you decided to throw your hands. throw your hand. You should accept hand being thrown back at you in self-defense. So we see him. I believe say many people go support the man in this case. That's reality, and I have always taught the women in my life, never be the first to throw your hand. You know, unless in self-defense. Yes, that is what I support. If na self-defense, you too you fit to defend yourself. Anything way you fit do to defend yourself, that is allowed. That is life. And that is reality. Make person no deceive us. Say because na woman, nobody fit beat him. I will never beat. I know even they beat men. I don't think why fight. When I did small, where I fight finish, come wound the boy when me and him fight. I know they fight again. It's hard. When make me a person they exchange words. For what? I will waka come out. But not everybody feel waka come out. And now the thing will happen to this lady. Maybe the circle of people where they do things with, in go just they rule them. Both the men, they go just leave them. Now so they succeed, they go. But they don't meet person where where German like trailer. So, and this is how even this one to say, nope. a woman that want to fight a man is a man. That is the thing. When a woman now decide to fight a man, you are a man, and you must be treated as one. So you see, this one I say don't slap a man because the woman first raise hand, and person where they talk, this person where they put voice inside the video was saying rubbish, completely rubbish. Now this kind men, now then they spoil the whole shit. Now then they spoil the whole narration. Because when you're supposed to give the right correction. So she get luck. It wasn't me. She lay hand on. You see? This one blah 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 blah. She slapped him and he reacted. She learned a lesson no other man taught her before. That's what I'm saying. End of story. Maybe she must have, or if she has a relationship, that's how she raised her hands, slap the man that is in her life, and go scot free. But not everybody. If this kind man, if to say na secret junction like this thing they happen, maybe this kind man feel kill him. Our sisters where they temper, hot temper, we wanna learn on a lesson. I have 3 girls, and they always tell them, please don't fight with even your fellow girls. Some girls they strong like kakaraka like men. No go things. And when you meet a man, real man, no go fight. Report the situation. Go your own. In as much as they don't block you, go your way. Let the matter go. No matter how you angry reach, you no go feel the blow rock or the blow wall or the blow chuku. You go tire. You go face death and life. So I believe say this person they talk here, he say, how dare you lay your hand on a woman? You should de-escalate. How do you de-escalate in your self-defense? Person they won't beat you. For me, I will go. I will hardly do something where I will go. But not everybody. And when I see one, I will be very honest to say this is not right. So let's pray the right truth. And if you disagree with me, maybe you put down in the comment section or say 1 or 2 things you need us to learn with you. May God bless us, give us peace. We no meet wahala. We go put us for trouble. I believe say the kind slap where they slap this woman so for the rest of your life, you no go feel forget her. And as he fall, stand up. In head don't come down small. Bye bye.